Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's Dollar Tree's organization episode, we are going to be taking some of their new items to tidy up and organize some spaces in our home. And starting right off, I found these coupon holders. These are so nice and I have not seen these before, so I'm pretty sure these are new. But you do please do let me know if you have seen these before, because sometimes Dollar Trees are iffy like that. They can have some things in one and then not having in the other. So let me know if you have seen these, but these are so nice and they have pink, black, and yellow. And obviously I'm not going to be using this to organize coupons, but instead I thought it would be really nice to organize your letters and your mail, because this is just the perfect little envelope for that. And I'm pretty sure some of us out there have a drawer just filled with letters and mail. So instead of throwing them inside of a drawer, you can now organize them in this lovely little envelope that Dollar Tree is selling. And you can see how beautiful it looks and how nice it fits inside of each pocket. And they do come with a fair amount of pockets, and you can see in the back there that it does open up to an even larger space, and it has one right in the front little page right there. And I just love this idea because now you can have all of your letters in one place and you don't have to go scrambling through drawers trying to find one that you need at that moment and everything like that. So I really do think this is a great idea to use it for. You let me know what you think, and if you will be using it for this. You can pick up multiple of them and kind of organize and sort out your mail as well. So I love that, and it's so easy to just close, keep everything together, and have everything when you need it, which keeps everything nice and organized in that drawer, which makes everything in your life 100 times easier and 100 times better. And my friend, I'm going to show you another way that you can use this little envelope that I think it is awesome as well. So we all have important documents that we need for our everyday lives. We never know when we might need it, right? So this little envelope is perfect to hold, birth certificates, little social security cards that are just a mess to just keep around, because I have lost mine before and I'm pretty sure many of you have as well. And this is the perfect envelope for that, because it keeps it nice and protected. And not only that, but everything is together like your important documents, which is amazing. Now moving along, we're going to be taking some of these storage organizers from Dollar Tree. These are their newer ones. They are made of felt and they do have this creamish color. They also have a gray color that I've seen. I think these are super nice to organize anything in your home, but let's say in the bathroom, if you have your bathroom cabinets that tends to be a bit messy with all of our essentials, we can organize that using these little organizers that are really pretty, and they do blend in with my specific cabinets here, but they do match with any decor and any furniture that you might have, which is awesome. So I do love that. We're gonna just place them down inside of the drawer, place down whatever essentials that we like, and you have a nice organized drawer in your bathroom to hold your everyday essentials, and everything won't just be thrown inside of that drawer. Another way you can use this is one of the larger ones from that set. You can use this one to place down your toothpaste, your extra toothbrushes, and everything like that, because we all have that, right? So in our bathroom, we sometimes might not know where to put it. So this is a nice little tray to place those. And if you didn't find those at Dollar Tree, They also carry these little basket organizers as well, which is really nice because they are long, so they do fit in drawers really nicely. And you can also use these to place down your everyday essentials. If you let's say by chance you don't find the ones I just showed you made of felt, you can use these as well, and they are really pretty to organize. You can see how nice everything looks all together for just $125. You can't beat it. Next up, we're gonna go take this 3-pack of travel jars. You can find this in their bathroom essential section, where they usually have all of the toothpaste and little beauty care stuff like that. These are the perfect little jars for literally almost anything, but for especially for if you are traveling, you can place your go-to jewelry that you want to take with you inside of these little jars, so that way you can keep them nice and safe and you know exactly where they are, because these jars are not too big, not too small, so they are literally perfect for this, to place down your jewelry when you are traveling. Let's say you're going on a road trip as well and you want to take just little pieces of jewelry with you, you can place them in here, and I love that. Again, and you can fit down a fair amount inside of these jars. You can see I have 3 pair of earrings, a couple rings and necklaces, but I can fit more, so those are super nice for that. Another way you can use these jars is for, again, if you are traveling, you are going on a road trip and you need your everyday vitamins or allergy medication, because I know that I definitely need them every single day. So I am going to place some of them in here for my travel, and it is easy to just throw in a bag and easily grab them when you need it. Instead of taking these big old bottles that take up more space, you can place them in here. And if you want, you can place down labels, but I know exactly what's in here, so I'm okay with it. But I love this idea. You guys, I want to show you this bag that's not only perfect for today's video for traveling, but also for hiking if you are going for a walk or anything like that. This bag is absolutely perfect and I know you're gonna love it. They have multiple colors, as you can see here. They literally have a lot, but the color that I chose is this deep olive green that is super beautiful. Thank you so much to Waterfly for today's partnership. This is the bag in all its glory. It's really nice, my friend, and you're gonna be super surprised at how much stuff you can fit in here. I was honestly surprised at how much stuff I can fit in here. But just a quick overview at all of the colors that they have available, and the bag is just $30.99, which is a steal for this durable bag. You can see it has a little clip at the front, and once you open it up, you can see all of the little compartments and just how much space you have. So let's just throw some stuff in here. If you are going for a walk or a hike, you might need some sunglasses. You might need a little emergency kits that I previously DIY'd in one of my videos. In case you missed it, you would have to check that out. You might also need some lotion and maybe a couple snacks for your walk or hike, and some deodorants. I'm just throwing in some random stuff in here just so you can kind of see how much stuff you can fit. And I still have a ton of space, you guys. And then it also has a little pocket on the strap of the bag, which is amazing to hold a little chapstick or even your phone. And it also does have 2 drink holders, so you can place 2 water bottles or whatever you want to take on your walk. And this bag is honestly beautiful. I give it 10 out of 10, and I think you should check it out. It's good for everyday essentials. Links will be in my description. And moving along to the next little organization, Dollar Tree has out these new cosmetic bags that you can find in, they sort of have like little stands in the front of the aisles where they put out new things. So that is where I found these bags. They have 2 different ones. I chose the pink one and I think it is super cute. They also recently came out with a bigger version of this. I'm not sure if you have seen them, but I did pick one of those up before and I did show it in my previous videos. You would have to check it out as well. But inside it looks really beautiful, and I love how it's all black. I think this bag is great for traveling as well because it's the perfect size. You can fit even in your luggage. I'm going to place down in here these bottles that have a pump at the top. These are sold at Dollar Tree and they are new, and I really love them. I placed lotion, hair gel, and you can also place down hand soap if you want, or literally anything you want. I'm going to place down a couple makeups, some personal items, and just everyday needs that you might want to take with you on your road trip or in your luggage. And it's just super cute, and I love the heart pattern that it has on it, and the handle makes it even easier to just pick up and go and just place it where you need it. So you would have to check this out at Dollar Tree. They do have a lot of new stuff out right now that I am loving, and I hope you are loving too and enjoying me doing these DIY organizations for you as much as I am creating them for you. So if you are, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you've made it this far into my video, comment down below travel, and I will know that you made it this far, which is highly and truly appreciated, my friends. I love it when you stick around to the very end. It really does mean a lot to me, so thank you very much. And do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family, because I would love to have you. So like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you all on my next video. Take care and God bless.